Hey Steven, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found that by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with growth, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or, if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan that I give you today and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that'll set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing we're going to talk about today is going to be content. So I ran your website through a tool called SEO Quake, which you can get for free. And we can see that you have 1,400 words on your homepage. So Google released that in order to be fully optimized within their system, there needs to be a minimum of 1,500 words on that homepage. So right out of the gate, just adding about 100 more words of content can help you meet those minimum requirements. Now, of course, in order to be at the top of Google, you're going to have to beat out your competition and what they're doing on that. But however, meeting the minimum will help you grow a few ranks. And it's super easy and quick to do. And 2 reasons you want to do it. Besides that is 1, it shows Google that you have information relevant to what people are searching for on Google. Google's all about matching people with what they're looking for. And 2, it allows you to put more keywords in more frequently. So as we can see, you have water, restoration, mold, and damage, which are great for what you want to be found for, since you're a water, damage, and restoration company. So you have 34, 27, 25, and 20. Now, I simply typed into Google water damage restoration Anaheim, and your number 1 competitor is going to be this business right here, ATI Restorations. So we took their website and we also plugged it into SEO Quake. And we can see that they have almost 2,300 words and they have the keywords many more times. So as you can see, they're getting pulled to the top for that reason. Now, the second thing I want to talk about is this map pack area. And we can see your number 1 map pack competitor is this FRP Emergency Flood West Anaheim. So we use a tool called WhiteSpark, and we can see that they have about 30 citation sources. Now, in order to get to the top, you need to have good reviews, but you also need to have citations. And a citation is simply anywhere you put your name, address, or phone number in a directory. Directories range from anywhere from Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp. Heck, even Facebook has an area for citations. So just by adding those and beating out your competition is one way you can get to the top of this page. And although it's not your organic website listing, it does help to be at the top of the map pack as well. Now the third thing is the most important, and that's going to be your backlinking and link juice. So here's your website, a tool called Ahrefs, and we can see you have 96 backlinks, 51 referring domains, and you're getting roughly 7 clicks a month, which is okay. But what you want to do is you want to have more backlinks. And what a backlink is simply a link from one website to another website. And it works like this. If site A is linking to site B, then site B is getting link juice from site A. It's basically a popularity contest. So again, let's look at your top competitor here. We can see they have almost 8,000 backlinks. And they're driving in almost 5,000, a little over 5,000 clicks a month. So you can really see where the value comes in at if you're not getting those clicks, because 5,000 clicks is a lot of money you're missing out on. In closing, we discussed 3 things today. We discussed the importance of content and how you want to have at least 1,500 words to meet that minimum needed. Secondly, we discussed citations and how having the most citations is what's going to help pull you to the top of that map pack area. I always recommend about 100. Thirdly, and most importantly, we discussed backlinking and link juice and how you need to have the most relevant site pointing at you to show Google that you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, there's no doubt in my mind that you could be number 1 in Google. So what now? Well, like I said in the beginning, you could take this information I gave you today and do it all on your own. And I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.